Good morning to all. Last class we were discussing about the chapter of number system. The last class we are discussing the face value, place value and place value chart and some exemplar I explained in the last classes. Today I am going to explain some more examples. Exercise 1.1, question number 1, filling in the blanks. 1 lakh equal to dash 10,000. Okay, mean the 1 lakh, how many 10,000 are there? 10,000 are there. 1 million equal dash 100,000. The 1 million, how many 100,000 are there? 100,000 are there. 1 crore dash 10 lakhs are there. 10 lakhs are there. And 1 crore dash million, 10 million. 1 million equal to dash lakh, 10 lakh. And second example, place commas correctly and write the numerals. Okay, here the Indian system and international system, the both. The Indian system, first we are starting to 3 commas, that after 2 2 like this. And international place value chart, we are using the commas in the 3 3 3. Here the names are given 73 lakh 75,307. Then you are writing 7375307. It means 73 lakh 75,307. Then B, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Then 9 comma 05 comma 00 comma 041. Then 9 lakh 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Then C, 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 58,423,202. 23 lakh 30,010. The words, it means the numbers, the words, how we can write it in the numbers. We can write it like this. Here also you can use it for the place value chart. Then third question, commas suitable and write the names according to the Indian system. Here the numbers given, that numbers you are want to write the Indian systems. See, the another way also question will be asking like this. Estimate the following product using generally the rules. Okay, when we are estimating the numbers, some general rules are there. If you are using for, if you are asking for the nearest to the 10 place, nearest to the 100 place, nearest to the 1000 place, first of all you want to count how many digits are there. The example first you see 578 multiply 161. Here 3 digits are given. Then we can round up the 100 place. 8 is the 1 place, 7 is the 10 place, 5 is the 100 place. And one more thing also you want to note it, which number we are round upping, that number near any greatest number is there. It means more than 5 or more than 5. Any numbers are there. Then we can add to which number we are rounding. There we want added 1. Now see, 5 after 7, that is the more than 5. It is great strong number also. We can round up 1. Then it is 600. Then 161. The one after 6, that is also strong number, added to 1. Then 200. Now the estimate product means the meaning of multiply. 6 2s are 12. Then remain how many zeros are there? 4 zeros there. Then that is 0, you can simply we can add it. Now see 1,20,000. Our product value will be 1,20,000. Another example, here we have the 4 digit. Then we want round of the 1000 place. Ones place is the 1, tens place is the 8, 100 place is the 2, 1000 place is the 5. 5 after 2 is the weak number. Then you can write the same like 5,000. 3 after also 4 is there, that is also weak number. But 4 after which number is there? 9, that is the strong number, added 1. Now see 3,500. Now estimate the product values. Okay, if you are multiplying that values means 1,75 lakh. Now it's clear no? If you are 3 digit given means 1000 place, 100 place, 4 digit given means 1000 place. See the D example, first 4 digit numbers given, second 2 digit numbers given. The 4 digit means the 1000 place, 2 digit means the 10 place. Now 1000 place, 9 after which number is there? 2, that is the weak number also. Okay, then we can round up the 9,000. The 2 after which number is there? 9, that is strong number. Then added 1, then 30. Then why here 10,000 coming means 2 after which number is the 5 is there, added 1. Okay, it may round up it, then it is 10,000. Then value will be 3 lakh. Now exercise 1.2. Okay, I given the some few examples only. A book expedition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812. It means first day 1904, second day 1812, third day 2050 and final days 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. If you are asking the total or all, it means we want plus it. The number of the tickets sold on the first days 1094. The number of tickets sold on the second days 1812. Third days 2050. Final days 2715. The total ticket then 7707. Therefore 7707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days. Then another example, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in the test matches. He wished to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he needed? The run to achieved. How much run he is planning to achieve? 10,000. Runs scored. He is presently how many runs he scored? 6,980. Run record. If you are find the achieved score and present score. Then we know the remaining how much runs will be needed for the his achieving the score. Therefore, he need 3020 more runs. Third example, in a election, the successfully candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. Okay, in a election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the elections? The number of votes by the successful candidate 5,77,500. The number of votes by his nearest rival 3,48,700. The margin between, the difference between in the both members 2,28,800. Therefore, the successful candidate won by the margin of 2,28,800 votes. This much vote difference way he won the vote. Now this example already given, they estimate the following the product using the rules. Now another example, Kirti bookstore sold books worth 2,85,891 in the first week of June and the books worth 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? Book sold in first week 2,85,891. The books sold in the second week 4,768. The total books sold in the both week, first and second week. That's why we are plusing 6,86,659. Since the 4,768 is the greater than 2,85,891. Therefore, the sale of the second week is the greater than the of first week. The book sold in the second week 4,768. The book sold in the first week 2,85,891. What are the difference? 1,14,877. Therefore, the 1,14,877 more books were sold in the second week. And another example, a merchant had 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 ratio sets at 1,200 in each. How much money will remain with her after the purchasing? Cost of one ratio 1,200. The cost of the 40 ratio 1,200 multiplied to 40, then 48,000. Now the total money with merchant 78,592. How much she spent? 48,000. Remaining amount, the total amount minus to the how much she is spending. Both we can minus it, then we will get the remaining amount. Therefore, the remaining amount 30,000 592 will be remaining with her after the purchasing. Now another example, the student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Actually he want multiplying 65, instead of that he multiplied by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Wrong answer. 7236 multiplied by 65, you will be getting the value 4,70,340. The correct answer, if you are multiplying 4,05,216, the difference in the answers, then both answer if you are minusing, you will be getting in the difference of the wrong multiply and correct multiply. 65,124. Now example 9. To the t-shirt, a t-shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt can be stitched and how much cloth will be remain? Okay, total how many meter? 40. Out of 40 meter, one shirt how much will be required? 2 meter 15 centimeters. Okay, here centimeter we can change in the meter, otherwise meter we can change in the centimeter. Here we can meter we are changing in the centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, then 2 meter means 2 into 100, 200 plus 15, 215 centimeter. The length of the cloth 40 meter, meter changing in the centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, then 40 means 40 into 100, 4000 centimeter. Number of the t-shirt can be stitched. We know the total 40 meter cloth is there. Out of 40 meter cloth, one shirt will be required, needed 2 meter 15 centimeter. Then how many shirt we can stitch? Then 4000 divided by 250, then you will be getting 18. Therefore 18 shirt can be stitched and 130 centimeter, it will be 1 meter 30 centimeter cloth will be remaining also. How many shirt we can stitch? 18. The remaining of cloth will be 1 meter 30 centimeter. Then last question. Medicine is packed in box, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such a box can be loaded in a can which cannot carry behind 800 kg? We have the total weight of one box 4 kg 500 grams. Then kg we can convert it to grams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Then 4 into 1000, 4000. Big to small means multiply. Small to big means divide. Then total 4500 grams. The maximum load can be loaded in van 800 kg. Then kilogram we can change in the grams. 800 multiplied by 1000, then 8 lakh grams. Number of the box. How many number of the box will be required? 4500. Then 8 lakh divided by 4500, 177 box will be needed remaining. Therefore 177 box can be loaded. It's understood now? Okay. Again next class we can discuss some more example also. What are the example question we are discussing today? Okay, you do the practice and I will give the some homework for the next section. Okay, do the practice. In the next class we can discuss for the some more examples. Thank you.